Echo, 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 echo. Yeah, it's quite bad.
So, after watching all the professionals or highly trained and resourceful people talk about DIY sound panels and how cheap they are, I thought to myself, how hard could it be? Very hard. My office and studio shares the wall with my parents' bedroom, which is as thick as fully skimmed milk. So I wanted to add some sound dampening and mask to the wall to improve the sound quality in my videos and hopefully reduce the level of sound transmission from my parents' room to my office. The vision I had was pixelated and retro. I wanted to create something that would be unique and reflect on me being a gamer. Then came the idea, a bad game of Tetris. I calculated the estimated price of using ready-made acoustic foam panels versus super sleek DIY panels that I would create. So one of the main reasons for me to go and make my own panels was all the feedback people were leaving, where they were saying the foams they were getting from Amazon, for example, were not thick enough, weren't the right quality, they weren't improving the sound quality, and I thought maybe I can add a lot more foam, make it slightly varying in thickness to improve the effectiveness of the dampening of the sound, as all the depths will counter the sound waves. Tools that were needed were a saw, a staple gun, staples, some more staples, gloves, goggles, blade or kitchen knife. I used the knife just to keep the mood tense in the house, and 2 pairs of scissors because if you do it the way I did, you will break the first pair. Sorry mum. Time to make some panels. I did learn a lot on the way and improved my skill and speed. I will link some of the videos I watched, as I think they all deserve the recognition for creating a backup plan if YouTube doesn't work out for me. So something I learned the hard way was you need to trim away the corner, as much of the corner fabric as possible. It makes it 100 times easier to actually create the corners. Here's one I did with less fabric and it was so much easier to do. One by one, hour by hour, the mess was spread across the house. Finally the day came, the panels were ready. I used 4 to 5 dabs of sealer behind each panel and held it against the wall for 3 to 10 seconds, depending on my confidence level. I now present a bad game of Tetris, soundproofing, absorbing panel, foam insulation, acoustic, wall. Please let me know if there's anything you would like me to do in my room to improve the sound quality. Maybe I'll do another video just to, take it a step further, depending on your suggestions. For now, I need a holiday. Subscribe, describe, and share your thoughts.